beginning within the month of April, first 3 sets of train traffic. This is the second train for the 19.15 kilometers long Avi Road Boma-Sandra route and the third is expected by the end of February. Trains will initially run at 30-minute intervals. Titagarh Rail System Limited has launched a domestically manufactured driverless train for Bengaluru. The Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation has announced that it will launch the Yellow Line by the end of March or early April. It is 19.15 km. The M-Long Avi is the second train for the Road Boma-Sandra route and the third is expected by the end of February. Trains will initially run at 30-minute intervals. This will reduce as additional trains are introduced, said a senior BMRCL official. BMRCL had earlier decided to start train services on this route by mid-2025. However, he informed that since there is a lot of demand for this route, it has been decided to start it as soon as possible. The first driverless train by China Railway Rolling Stock Corporation reached Bangalore on 14 February 2024 via Chennai port. However, the inauguration of the line is being delayed as its Indian partner Titagarh Rail Systems failed to send the first train. The train is expected to arrive by 20th January. Extensive testing, including simulation of collisions between trains, needs to be conducted. This process will take about a week and we aim to complete it by the first week of February. Titagarh has promised to deliver the third train by the end of February, officials said. Metro plans to approach the Commissioner of Rail Safety for an inspection in early March and start commercial operations by the end of March or early April, he said, adding that the Lucknow-based Railway Design and Standards Institute has completed the tests and certification is expected soon said. Mention. Say. Tell. Talking to the New Indian Express, Bengaluru South MP Tejasvi Surya said that efforts are being made to start the project by the end of March and that it is possible in discussions with top BMRCL officials. He said that the Prime Minister's office will be contacted to fix the date for the inauguration. We will deliver 2 more train sets by the end of April. The company will ramp up production and deliver 2 trains per month by September 2025. Titagarh said BMRCL had signed an agreement with CRRC for 216 coaches at a cost of 1,578 crore rupees in 2019 and had procured 12 coaches.